Today we celebrate Baloch Culture Day. The United States and Pakistan are both shaped by our rich cultural heritage and draw strength from our diversity. Baloch culture adds to the richness of Pakistan. I have been delighted to learn about Balochistan's fascinating history, traditions, and landmarks like Kund Malir, the Princess of Hope, Hinglaj Mata, Gadani Beach, Gwadar, Ziyarat, and the other attractions behind me. Balochistan is well known for its landscape, mountains, wildlife, stunning beaches, waterfalls, lakes, and hot springs. It is also a place brimming with diverse traditions, festivals, arts, and crafts. For example, Baloch embroidery, an ancient handicraft passed from generation to generation. It is remarkable and world-renowned. Nor can we forget the province's storytelling tradition. Poets and storytellers are highly respected in Baloch culture. The U.S. government is pleased to support an array of programs in Balochistan, ranging from university partnerships promoting entrepreneurship to English language programs that support teachers. Meanwhile, the U.S. government sends 80 to 100 people from Balochistan to the United States every year on cultural, academic, and professional exchange programs. When they return, they are invited to join the Pakistan-U.S. Alumni Network, a nationwide organization that is committed to making meaningful contributions to Pakistan through community service, inspiring others, and mentoring future generations. These efforts not only strengthen people-to-people ties between the United States and Pakistan, but they also help to further preserve and promote the rich cultural traditions that exist here. I was happy to visit Hub recently, and I hope to travel back to Balochistan again very soon. Until then, I wish you all a very happy Baloch Culture Day. Balochi Dodo, Rabe Dage Roch, Mubarakbat.